Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video guys, we will talk about how to fix error the specified port is already in use. So sometimes when you use Visual Studio, then you might face the error that the specified port is already in use. So if you are a beginner and don't know how to fix that, then what you can do is you have to go to the project and right click on that and click on properties. So basically every application runs on a port when we run it. So basically, for example, in this case you will see the 5139 is a port. So you have to notice whatever port is written in your application. So all you have to do is you have to modify it so you can like change it to any other number. So like for example you can do it like this. Then you have to click on create virtual directory, and also you have to make sure that if this checkbox is checked. Okay, so suppose if it is checked, then it will use this URL rather than the above one. Okay, so in that case you have to copy this port here also, and then it will work fine. Okay, so once you change the port and try to run the application again, then you will not see the error the specified port is already in use. If you still face the error, then you can again change the port. Maybe the port you used is already in use too, so you can again change the port and then it will work fine. So on this is how you can do it. You can just change the port and then it will work fine. Okay, so thank you guys, and let us know if you still face any kind of issue. Thank you.